In this video, let me show you how to fix the Roblox keep crashing on Android issue. If you're having this issue on your Android device, the first thing that you can straight away do is try to clear the cache and data of the Roblox application. So what you need to do is tap and hold the app and then head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to storage and then you can simply tap on the clear data option. Once you complete this first step, try to remove the Roblox application from the recent app list and try to see if this fixes the issue. If this first step does not solve your issue, the second thing that you can try out is try to update the application of Roblox. Head over to the Play Store and search for Roblox. If you do see new updates available, make sure you tap on the update button. Updating applications helps to solve any sort of bugs which may be causing these sort of issues. Now, even after doing both of these steps and you're still having issues with it, what you'll also need to ensure that you have sufficient storage on your phone. If your phone storage is running out, then this is likely what is causing the issue. So in this situation, make sure you clear out your storage and free up your storage so that Roblox can work normally. So by doing these few steps, you should be able to fix the Roblox keep crashing on Android error. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.